Hello, Black Hawk Cougars. This is Mrs. Selif, and I'm going to show you how to go through the imagine and plan stages today. The ask, as you can see right here, the ask is that we are making an art project for the winter song with Mr. D. It needs to match your song. So while you are brainstorming today, you will be needing to look at the lyrics. So that this is your song right here. And there's a lot going on in this song. If I had to list every single option you had for art, it would take a while. But just to give you some examples, as I read this, I think of some things that I could do. So up on the roof, going thump, 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 some things that would actually, in your imagination, maybe happen on the roof on Christmas Eve would be, of course, Santa's sleigh, thump, thump, thumping, or maybe the reindeer's hooves on the roof, something going bump, bump, bump up on the roof. And then here it says ho, 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 so that makes me think Santa. Okay, so obviously I could do an art project where I show Santa Claus in a sleigh with reindeer. I could use that as an idea for brainstorming. Um, the end of the song though is really fun. And I'm not telling you you have to do this, but because of this line right here, maybe it's just a dream or maybe not. I maybe I better go, go, go to bed. That makes me think, wouldn't it be funny if there was a sleepwalking child on the roof? I think that would be funny. So, for example, with your art project, you could design a house and then create a little child in their pajamas sleepwalking on the roof. But that is just one idea. There are plenty of things you could do with this song. So what I would like you to do when you finish watching this video is come up here to the plus button on your tabs, and then right here in this address bar, you're going to type bing.com, com, going to Bing, and then we need to do a search so that we can get ideas for what to make for our project. So an example of a search we could do is we could do reindeer on the roof art project. Okay. And then we can go to the images tab and see if we can find something that looks fun. Okay, all the different ways that you can make reindeer. Okay, any of these would be within the uh, the song. Look at these guys, they're cute. Okay, so something else that we could do, Santa's sleigh art project. Oh my gosh, look at this one with the paper plate. That is super cute. Now, what if you did the paper plate sleigh and then you also made some reindeer? Wouldn't that be fun? And you could decide how your sleigh looks and how your reindeer looks. Either um, of those are both really good ideas. One tip I have for you is if you add the word for kids to your search, you might come up with more good results that will get you what you really want to be making. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is so cute. Okay, so it is up to you to figure out. Oh, look at this cardboard sleigh. That is so cute. But while you're researching, keep in mind that we only have, counting today, 6 sessions, that is a total of 3 hours, and you need to be able to get it done before we go home for winter break so that we can take the pictures to put into the video that we're doing for our songs. So it's really important that you pick something that you can get done, okay? And then you will be making a plan on some blue paper, just like we did with the turkeys, and you need to have a list of the materials that you need to make it and make sure your name is on it, okay? So that is your direction for today. Whatever you decide to try and make sure that you have a good blueprint on your blue paper for your plan, okay? Hop to it and have fun.